So consider the sequence given by 1, 4, 7, 10, 13. State a recurrence relation which expresses the nth term u of n in terms of the previous term nth minus 1th term u of n minus 1. Right, so the adjacent differences here are 3. So the difference between 1 and 4 is 3. Difference between 4 and 7 is 3. 7 and 10 is 3, and so on. So we can assume that the next one is 16, 19, 22, and so on. Now, so the difference there is 3, so u of n equals u of n minus 1 plus 3. Now, importantly, with u of 1 equal to 1, do not forget to put in the initial condition. I'm stating this is a bit of a hypothesis here, but I reckon you get 1 mark for this and the other mark for this. So if you're forgetting this, you're losing half of your marks. I'm not sure about that, but I'm pretty sure about that. Right, moving on. The next one is u of n. Another sequence is defined by the recurrence relation. U of n equals u of n minus 1 plus 2n minus 1. So let's do up a little table for that, and that'll get us started. So we have to come up with u2, u3, u4, and u5. So n let's draw a little table. Oops. So put in the values for n here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. U of n. And u of n minus 1. And 2n minus 1. Okay. So in the first instance, u of 1 is equal to 1. Okay. Now we're not going to use that step there. So in the next step, we're on n equals 2. The previous value of u of n, the u of n, u1, n minus 1 is 1 here. 2n minus 1, that's 2 times 2 minus 1. That gives us 3. And essentially what we have to do is add this value here to this value here to get the current value of un. So add them together, you get 4. Now, when n is equal to 3, 4 is the previous value of u of n, is the previous value of the sequence. 2 times 3 minus 1, that's 2 times 3 is 6, minus 1 is equal to 5. So 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. And again, that's for the next sequence, that was the last, or for the next term of the sequence, that the previous value was 9. 2 times 4 minus 1 is equal to 7. So 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. Put 16 down here because it's the previous value for the next row, n equal 5. 2 times 5 minus 1, that's equal to 10 minus 1, that's equal to 9. 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. Okay, so the values we are asked to calculate are these values here: 4, 9, 16, and 25. So that's them all together. The next part here is proof by induction that un is equal to n squared.